So hey guys, welcome back to our channel Journey with the Jacksons. Thank you so much for stopping by. So it's the new year. Happy New Year to you guys. Best wishes for the new year and may all your dreams and wishes come through. All right, so today I have one of the most special persons in my life, and she is Christine. So today we are going to be making
no bake cheesecake.
Vegan?
Yeah, no bake vegan cheesecake.
Right, so
the journey begins in my kitchen.
Right, so this is the kitchen. So we are in some fancy place, nice cool breeze. But outside of that, Christine, just a little background, Christine eats very healthy, right? No sugar, no
Try to.
No man, I try. She eats very healthy, very clean. So guys, come with us and let's see what she's making. All right.
I need to do my base first for the cheesecake. So I'm using almonds, but I have these diced almonds, so it's easier for me. And my Vitamix, it's diced already, so. You can use the other almonds, the whole one, but I prefer the easy life, so I use the diced one. So.
All right. So first thing,
I'm pouring a little in. I say half cup.
All right, and there's no, guys, as Jamaicans, we don't necessarily use measurements.
Yeah, we're just good like that. So, and I'm gonna put some pecans as well.
All right.
And I'd say quarter cup.
Quarter cup. Let's see.
That's my estimate, and I'm gonna put a dash of cinnamon. Dash. And I'm gonna do.
What's this one?
Vanilla, a dash. Everything is a dash.
But I'm not seeing it.
It's liquid, so that's why it got lost there. And salt, of course. So this is my sea salt, Himalayan pink. I'm just gonna spin a little.
Hey, fancy.
And then this is my sweetener, stevia, organic stevia, natural sweetener. Stevia is a plant, so that's what we use.
Okay.
Alrighty.
First time I'm hearing about stevia. Well, you were the first person I heard about stevia from.
So I'm gonna put one, and it comes with its own little measuring thing.
I see the measuring cup. Down the spoon again.
You see how tiny it is?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just put one. I might put more if I taste it, but for now, that's it. That's my basic. And
so you're going to blend that up?
Yeah, grind that up basically.
Oh, grind, not blend. So inside here we have the pecan, the stevia. Oh, it's just
a little water on it.
What? Our jelly water?
No, it's not jelly water. It's water.
Okay.
I just didn't have any room temperature one, so I just used that.
Okay.
And let me put this one aside.
So you're moving this too, the pecan.
Yeah. And I get my Vitamix.
All right.
And I'll put this up here. So this is my dry blade for the Vitamix. I have my wet. This is the wet one. So I'm using the dry one because this is dry stuff.
All right.
Because the pecans, if it was just the almonds, that would have been good, but are you seeing properly?
Yeah, no.
And then I'll come again. My little pecans are still not, so I'm going to add a little more water to it.
Oh, the pecans are still
need a little more chopped.
Okay.
Yeah, so as I said, the almonds were chopped, diced already. So
yeah, so those are easy.
Yeah, but I'm going to do a little taste. The taste is fine, so I just need to.
Okay, what does the stevia do to the mix?
It's a
Oh,
sweetener.
oh, okay.
It's instead of sugar. So you guys.
Oh, it's a
sugar.
substitute for sugar.
Yes.
Okay.
And it has 0 calories.
Oh, it has 0 calories.
Yeah.
Oh, it's also
So you can look at that.
non-GMO and gluten-free. Okay.
But all stevias are not created equal because you have somewhere to add other stuff to it. So this one is just straight stevia. So when you're buying, you need to look to see that it just says organic stevia powder and not added stuff. Because sometimes they put erythritol and other stuff with it. But I just want the stevia by itself.
All right.
It's some people say they don't like the taste, but for me, I'm used to it. But
Does it really taste in? Do you really actually taste it in the mixture like that though?
I don't.
Okay.
And I guess you have had this before. So.
Yeah.
For some things that you're making, it might, like if you're making, like say you're making tea or something, you might say it tastes different.
Yeah.
I think I want to put a tips more stevia, just a little tip, not a full spoon.
So is it that sweet though?
Yes, it is. But I think this bag you can get how many servings out of it? 1,418 servings.
Wait, my friend.
You see it? I see. You see the one serving is 1 scoop, which is 160 milligram. Got it on Amazon, so shout out to Amazon.
I say you got it on Amazon.
So giving Amazon the free big up
Advertisement.
Yeah.
So it's a one more blend. Oh, Christine is scooping that mixture into the pan, and this is now the base of the cheesecake.
Yep. So I just need to get all of this out and smash it on the bottom.
So you use a spatula and
Spread it all around.
Oh, this spatula seems very flexible though.
Yeah, it's silicone.
Okay.
So it's not
As sturdy as the plastic ones.
It's not. I need a flexible one because you can move and
yeah.
So
looks good.
And
smell good too. Like I can smell the vanilla and the
cinnamon.
the other stuff. Yeah, the cinnamon and the other stuff. Just the flavor of the almond too.
And there are times when I even put like coconut flakes in the base as well. So sometimes I'm that type of cook. I mix it up, I change it up, depending on my mood and what I have on the particular day. So I don't follow a recipe.
It's creativity as we go along.
Exactly. So if I find I don't have something else works.
Yeah. But this is so cool so far. We don't need butter. Because
Certainly not.
we don't use butter here.
No.
No,
If we need if we need
butter.
something like that, we use like our coconut oil.
Okay.
Which you see, we have our base already fully covered.
So I should probably just try the base.
And taste it, yeah.
This is what it looks like, guys.
Taste.
Taste.
How is it?
Good. Very good. I don't like the people. You know, but this is good.
So we can put this one side for now.
So we're setting this aside.
And I'll just cover it up. No bugs.
Okay.
And now
Vanilla, I actually taste the vanilla. Which brand vanilla is this?
well, I use this
McCormick.
is pure vanilla extract. I don't use the art because most people tend to use this artificial one that's not real vanilla, but this is the vanilla extract, so it tends to be more potent than others.
Oh, maybe that is why it's so.
Yeah, that's why you're tasting it.
So
strong.
flavorful, and strong.
So now I'm ready for my cashew. The cashew is my base, my cheese. So it was soaking. It's supposed to soak. You're supposed to soak the cashews for like 3 hours. I've been soaking this since 1, so well soaked.
Yeah,
it's
well,
about
way
7
past.
o'clock, 8 o'clock now.
Yeah, way past 3.
So I'm just draining the water.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not gonna waste this cashew.
Which makes sense.
Yes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we're putting this into the wet.
Bite. Thank you.
Yeah.
So,
The wet blender.
yep.
Oh, you want me to stand Alright, so everything is now in the wet blender.
Back to my vanilla.
More vanilla.
Vanilla is key.
Again, no measurement, just estimate. Jamaicans don't use
We just sprinkle.
and dash. We don't use measurements. Alright, so that's what you put in.
Lemon.
Okay, 1 lemon.
Yes, I'll use 1 lemon. So there you have some measurement.
Yeah. It's the only measurement.
And I'm just squeezing it, squeezing.
Mm-hmm.
And the lemon helps to give it this little cheesy kind of, give you this little tartish taste as well.
Okay.
So you can use half if you wish, but I prefer the whole
Use the
lemon.
whole lemon. Okay.
Okay. Then, so sometimes I use this. If I don't have any coconut here, so sometimes I use a coconut jelly.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't have it.
As a what? As a milk base.
Yeah.
Okay.
But now I have this pure coconut creamed coconut from Grace.
Okay. It's the first time I am seeing this.
I've not found it in Jamaica.
Oh, you took it from abroad.
Yeah.
All right.
But strange, I can't find it here.
I am saying I've never seen that.
Yeah, because I've looked and it's not here. Apparently they only
Stock it abroad.
Yeah, they only do it for export. It's a product of Sri Lanka actually.
Interesting.
So it is actually the creamed coconut. Nothing else is added.
Let's see the packet. Yeah.
So I'm gonna take it out. See what it looks like. So you actually have yeah. So and I'm gonna use half of this. It starts separating. The coconut, the oil,
yeah,
and the kind of starts separating. So I'm kind of mushing it together. So I'm gonna use half of this, not the whole. So
yeah,
just a half, and then I'll have to refrigerate the rest. But I do like this because there's nothing else added. When you buy other coconut powders or whatever, there are other things added.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So
there are no preservatives in this one. Or there are.
No, it says the packet says ingredients cream coconut. That's it.
Okay.
So I'm going with the package. So
yeah. First time seeing that one.
yeah. But I do like it. Alright, so let me get my scissors.
Seems very natural. Seems the closest thing you can get from the actual fruit of the.
Yeah, if I had coconut cream, because the coconut jelly, I'd use it instead.
Yeah.
So, but when you don't have the jelly,
you find a substitute.
Yeah. So this is my substitute, and it's the best substitute I could.
Want a fork?
No, I'm gonna use my measuring spoon to help get on some more of this, the cream. So you see the texture, right?
Yeah, like ice cream.
So I know some people making this would maybe use the tin coconut cream, but because I don't use tin stuff, that's why I didn't. But yeah, that's an option.
Yeah, for people who don't mind using the tin stuff.
You can use the tin coconut cream. It should give you the same.
Again, Christina's not measured it.
Actually, I was using half.
Oh yeah, well,
half the package, and I think I did that.
Have you ever tasted it though?
By itself, without putting it in something? No.
Yeah, okay.
I've never done that. I should. No, it tastes sweet.
Okay.
It's like a coconut creamy taste.
Okay.
The water in my hand. And I'll put this away.
Alright.
Done with this.
Now it's time for blending.
I'm putting some salt.
Oh.
Because of course you need that salt taste in the cheese.
Yeah, true. Cheese definitely has salt. Or it has that taste, I don't know.
I may add more salt later. Stevia again.
Alright.
We need the sweet.
Yeah.
So, and I think this time, I did 2 spoons.
Oh, 2 spoons, alright.
I may need to add more later, but
for now, that's what you're working with.
yep. I need some water.
Alright, so she's now going for the water. That's what it looks like so far, guys, with the cashew, the stevia, the creamed coconut, and the vanilla. And now the water.
Okay.
And now it's time to blend. Okay.
These paper towels come in very handy.
Yeah.
Like you just keep wiping and throwing.
Yeah, and easy. So we're stirring.
Yeah. Gonna do a little tasting, so let me get my little spoon.
Alright, this is what the mixture looks like, guys. Creamy.
Yeah, let me just taste if I need more sugar. Stevia rather. Definitely need more salt.
Alright. Ready now.
Okay, so this is it.
This is the finished product.
Yeah.
Oh, may I see? Alright. Yeah. So that's the cheese now, and that's gonna be applied to the base.
But I'm in a two-tone mood, so I'm gonna do this white part. I'm gonna leave back some and add a little blueberries to give it the little purple color.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put a layer and just leave back like half.
Okay, and then mix with the blueberry.
Yeah, so it's like a layer thing. You could do it with cacao powder, so you could get a chocolate if you like chocolate. I don't like chocolate, so.
Okay.
But you could do that to get.
What kind of powder?
Cacao. I'll show you.
Okay.
I have it. So that would be nice, but as I said, I'm not a chocolate lover, so cacao. Here's a cacao powder, so you could add that to get a chocolate flavor. And,
okay.
Yeah. So. I think that's enough, so I leave back this.
Alright, so that's the cheese in this case, made from cashew.
So spread it out. And back over to my blender
station.
I don't want my spoon in here. To mess up my spoon. So I have some frozen blueberries in the freezer. I just took them out. And I'm just gonna throw a few in here. Yeah.
Okay. Again, no measurement.
Yeah, just throw a few. Just throw a few. Do what you like.
Yeah.
I just love the purple color.
So the blueberry are blended. Yes. So we now have purple cheese.
Yep. That's it. Nice and creamy.
Nice and creamy.
Back over here. And we'll just throw it in. We're all purpley. Purple power.
Purple power.
Yeah, so the KC people like that.
Purple power. Okay.
But I don't need the top to set a little.
Right.
Then I'm going to heat the blueberries on the stove, put a little lemon and a little sweetness again. And that's our topping. Get it all syrupy.
Okay.
So this guy needs to just go in the fridge.
All right. So
set. And for a few minutes, and then
we'll be making the topping.
Yep.
All right. So now that's going into the freezer.
Yeah,
Okay.
freezer, definitely. It has to be kept in the freezer.
Okay, so be careful with that, and we're putting open. Oh, she's skilled too. All right. And into the freezer that goes.
That's it. Do you want to taste?
Yes. Okay. Yo, you know, the cheesecake kind of have that little cheesy kind of little sour-ish taste.
You're getting that?
Taste-ish. I'm getting that.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's why everything is needed. The salt, the lemon.
You can taste the lemon, yeah.
So the lemon brings out the taste that you need, that little tangy taste.
Yeah, you know the one that said that little oomph.
Yeah. So without it, that's why I had to ask for the lemon.
Okay.
I didn't have it today. You can substitute with lime, but yeah.
It's good. It is good. Guys, I'm tasting this again. This is good. See, this is
And it's so purple.
Yeah, it's purple. Consistency. It's good. And the cashew is like totally grinded.
Yeah.
I'm just blended in this case.
Blended. I was grinding earlier with my dry blade. But now it's
yeah.
Yummy.
It is yummy. It is yummy. So now
Okay.
we are doing
This is the topping for the cheesecake.
so yeah, so it's the topping for the cheesecake.
So I put half cup of blueberries in the pot. It's on full blast.
Alright.
I want it hot. I want them to start bursting and start the juices flowing and get syrupy. That's how I want it. Tang, half a lemon. I need some tang in it. Just going to put that down. And of course, my trusted friend, stevia.
Mr. Stevie.
Still need some sweetness.
I already start smelling the lemon.
I love lemon.
Yeah.
It's good for you anyway.
And guys, if you want to see in people who eat clean, these are the things they have. There is no seasoned salt. What is this? Go fresh. I don't even know what this is. Oh, black pepper. Okay. And then this is garlic powder.
Yeah. This is my egg replacer.
Oh, let me see this one. Egg replacer substitute. Okay. Then
so this is like this is angel here, hearts of palm. So I use it instead of pasta.
Oh,
So
okay.
This is the heart from the palm. You know palm trees.
Yeah.
Hearts
Oh,
of palm.
literally.
Yeah, literally.
Oh.
And yeah, the calories per serving is 25 calories per serving. So if you're keto friendly.
Yeah. What else is in? There's organic chia seed.
Yeah, chia with nuts.
Moringa mint. Chickpea flour. I don't know who's ever seen that before.
Buckwheat flour.
Let me see that again. Buckwheat. What is that though?
It's a flour. It's not wheat. Remember the other day?
Red lentil. Oh yeah, I had that.
Pasta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the same
And this gives a cheesy taste.
I'm not seeing it. What is this?
Nutritional yeast.
Nutritional
So I put it in the to make the cheese. Remember the cheese stick?
Yeah. Oh, this is what gave it the cheese, the mac. Oh, okay, we had.
We use the cashew as well.
Yeah. So the other day we had this
The lentil
pasta and the cheese. It was good. It was. The only thing was missing was a piece of pork or chicken, preferably pork. So it's bubbling. I don't know how well they can see because of the steam, but it's actually bubbling. Yeah. All right. So I think this is it now. Syrupy. What it looks like.
This is until it's set.
Oh.
I'm gonna go for it.
So this is it.
I would let it set more normally, but we can do it. It can go. So we're just
pouring it onto the top. Fancy. How long has that been in the fridge so far, in the freezer?
About 15 minutes. As I said, no, I would recommend it stay a little longer, but
Yeah.
since I want to show my syrupy stuff,
Yeah. Your topping.
my topping, I improvise. You know, I can change the rules as we go along.
Change, adjust.
Adjust.
This looks good. It smells good. Okay, so this is what it. Woo! Look at the topping, guys.
And this goes back in the fridge, the freezer.
Still steaming.
Yep. So
So we're putting that back into the freezer. Wow. All right.
that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for joining with us.